Did you know that making pineapple juice requires just a pineapple and no other special ingredients? You don't need a juicer to make it or any fancy gadgets aside from just a strainer, a mesh strainer, and or cheesecloth. So we'll start with a pineapple. It's really important that you use a fresh pineapple, and I recommend just smelling the bottom of your pineapple before buying. And if it has that strong pineapple fragrance, you should be good to go. Then we'll start by peeling and just trimming our pineapples. So I like to cut off the top and bottoms first and then just peel around the circumference like this. One of the cool things about making your own juice is that you don't have to be meticulous about peeling off all of the eyes and the brown spots. You don't even need to remove the core when you're making this recipe because all of those solids and fibers that are sometimes sensitive on our tongues are going to be strained out in the end result. So once you've got your pineapple peeled, you can go ahead and just chop it into pieces that are small enough to fit into your blender. And if your blender isn't large enough to fit the entire pineapple, just remember that you can always do this in batches. It doesn't have to all go at once. From there, we'll transfer the pineapple into our blender. Again, you can do this in batches and then just puree or blend until it is liquid and there are no more solids. And from there, it's time to strain our juice. So you can go ahead and pour it into a mesh strainer. I like to line mine with a good piece of cheesecloth, and then you can just squeeze. This cheesecloth makes it really easy to get all of the juice out of that pulp. And then you're ready to enjoy this juice. I love to use this in cocktails or just drink it as is. It is so flavorful and delicious.